Welcome back to True Travel Treasures. We are glad that you took the time out of your busy schedule to come and visit. In this video, you will get an inside scoop on how to skip the airport security lines without paying a dime. Are you ready? Well, we did all the digging for you. Do you hate waiting in airport lines? So do we. Even if you're not interested in signing up for expedited security programs such as TSA PreCheck or Clear, there's still a way to skip the line. How? By making yourself a reservation for screening with the Transportation Security Administration. Make a reservation for TSA screening. The process for avoiding TSA lines will differ depending on your airport. Generally speaking, each airport has a dedicated lane available to travelers who have signed up for the reservation program. Once your departure date approaches, you'll head to each airport's dedicated page, where you can schedule an appointment for TSA security screening. Some airports, such as LAX, will only allow you to make a reservation 3 days in advance. Others, such as Dallas-Fort Worth, will let you do so a week before your flight. Note: currently, these reservations are only suitable for screening in the general security line. If you have TSA PreCheck or Clear, you won't be able to take advantage of their benefits with this program. Airports that offer expedited security screening for free. There are currently 7 airports with fast lanes and other programs that expedite security without a cost. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, or DFW, has a pretty neat system called the DFW Fast Pass. It works specifically in Terminal D at the D18 checkpoint. Now keep in mind, it's only available for general security, but you can make a reservation for up to 10 passengers at once. Oh, and you can start making those reservations a week in advance. John F. Kennedy International Airport, often just called JFK, offers a great way to skip the line if you're traveling through Terminal 4. You can make a reservation to skip the line between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. Reservations can be made up to 72 hours in advance and can be easily completed online. Los Angeles International Airport, or LAX, has a fast lane pilot program that's available to guests flying out of Terminals 7 and 8. It's open from 6:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. every day. You can make a reservation up to 3 days in advance, but if you prefer, you can also sign up for walk-up appointments. Newark Liberty International Airport, also known as EWR. Available to passengers routing through Terminals A and B at New Jersey's Newark Airport, the virtual line program allows you to make appointments up to 72 hours in advance. Only flights departing from gates 40 to 47 in Terminal B are eligible for this system. Orlando International Airport, or MCO. Those traveling through Orlando's airport can make a reservation up to 3 days in advance via MCO Reserve. It's available whether you're traveling in Terminal A or B, though hours are restricted from 5 in the morning to 11 in the morning. Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, commonly referred to as PHX. Anyone flying through Terminals 3 and 4 at Phoenix's Sky Harbor Airport can make a reservation to skip the line. PHX Reserve is open at Terminal 3 from 4 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon, and from 5:30 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon at Terminal 4's D checkpoint. You can make an appointment starting 3 days in advance of your flight. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, also known as SEA, has a really convenient program called Seattle's Spot Saver. This program is open from 5 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon every day at TSA checkpoints 2, 3, and 5. These checkpoints allow you access to all gates within the airport. You can sign up for an appointment 72 hours in advance, though you can also do so when you get to the airport. Other ways to skip the TSA lines without paying. Making a reservation in advance is a great way to skip TSA's sometimes exorbitantly long lines. However, if you're flying out of an airport that doesn't have this program, you may instead want to consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck or Clear. These are prepaid options, pretty much like a yearly membership. TSA PreCheck is available at more than 200 airports in the US and allows you to keep your shoes on, your laptop in your bag, and your liquids inside your suitcase. TSA PreCheck isn't free, It costs $78 minimum to register for the program, depending on which service you use. Membership lasts for 5 years. However, several travel credit cards will reimburse you for this expense. Clear is another expedited security program available at more than 40 airports within the United States. Featuring a separate travel lane from TSA PreCheck and the standard TSA line, Clear uses your eyes or fingerprints to identify who you are. Once you've been verified, you'll be escorted to the front of the security line. Clear works in conjunction with TSA PreCheck, which means if you have both, you'll be brought to the front of the TSA PreCheck line. Nobody enjoys the hassle of going through airport security. However, new programs launched in a handful of cities throughout the United States allow passengers to schedule security appointments rather than wait in line. These programs are free, if somewhat limited, and can save you a lot of time at the airport. If you're otherwise looking to skip the TSA line, you may consider enrolling in either TSA PreCheck or Clear. Although these services aren't free, there are credit cards that offer statement credits to offset the charges you'll incur. We hope this video provided value and would love to ask you to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for future videos like this one. We invite you to comment on the video if you have any additional details about this topic. Watch our other videos for more savings. Until next time, safe travels.